Hey guys, first you're going to start off with a t-shirt dress. I have the tutorial for the t-shirt dress up here, so check that out first to show how to make your t-shirt dress. Next, I like to use a pair of underwear or bathing suit bottoms just to give me a guide of where to cut my lines. Now you can do them wherever you want, but for mine I like to do them over the thigh or closer to the side. And once I use the underwear or the bathing suit bottoms, it kind of helps me decide so that I don't cut it open in the crotch area. So this is me using a pencil, just drawing a faint line of where I'm going to do my slits at. I will be copying this design on both sides and the back. So what you see me doing here, you're going to repeat that on both sides and in the back area. The best part about this idea is you can customize this however you want. You can put the slits wherever you want. You can actually go crazy with them. I don't suggest you put them in your private areas because you don't want those to show through the hose, but you can go crazy with the slits. So after I put the line on with the pencil, I'm going to fold it where the line is and just cut it up. Now you don't have to do it this way. If you can't see the line, you can just actually go on top of the line and cut slits. You'll see that later on, but this is just the easier way for me. After I cut my initial slits on the front, I go in and then fine tune those slits. Now you're going to make these slits as big or as short as you want, and you're going to stretch the fabric just to give them the more elongated look, and also so it doesn't look like it's been freshly cut. Now I've added my t-shirt dress to my mannequin, and as you can see, I put the slits in the back and the front of the bottom and the back of the bottom. I then took some of the leftover fabric from when I made the t-shirt dress and made a couple of strips. Now you want a piece of strip for every section that you have. I currently have 6 sections, so I have 6 pieces of fabric for each section. And you're going to cut those pieces and stretch them out, so again, so they don't look like they're freshly cut. So they kind of look like ties for your t-shirt dress. Now, I've already pre-cut everything, but I'm going to go ahead and cut them a little bit larger because you'll see as I do my actual method to tie them all together, they are kind of tight, and when I lock them all together, you don't really see any holes on the sides, and I kind of want it to look like it's shredded on the sides also. Now currently I have my slits very small, which is going to create a chain link effect. And what you do is you take one loop, you bring it around, and you stick the bottom one through it, and it creates a chain link. You take the top one, you get the bottom one, and you pull it through and you stretch it. The tighter the cuts are, the tighter the chain link is. But I'm going to go ahead and redo it and make my strips, my slits, larger so that you could see more of the see-through effect, and it looks more like stitches instead of a chain link. And this is me going in and making my slits larger. Now you have to eyeball this because you don't want to do them too much and then it goes in the inside of your private area. So I say do the slits as large as you can, and then if you need them to be larger, go back and do them. Also, it's best to do a little bit on each side instead of just going towards one direction. Do them towards the center and towards the side of the dress. It'll just allow it to be more even and not be all leaning towards one area. Now you just do the same thing as you did before. Is you take the one from the inside and you pull it over. You grab the one from the bottom and you pull it over. And with this one you can stretch as you go. This will make it be more open in the inside. And you pull it inside and you stretch it out. You pull it from the inside and you stretch it out. Pull it from the inside, then you stretch it out. You pull it from the inside, stretch it out, pull it from the inside, stretch it out, and keep on going till you get to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to take one of those strips and you're going to tie those last two pieces together and tie it in a knot. And that'll create a little cute hanging string, or you can clip the string and you don't have to keep them hanging. I like the string hanging because it gives it a little extra touch, but you can put it in a bow. You can add a different type of string to customize it. A ribbon would be cute, something like that. And then you just go on to the next section and you repeat the same method. And that's all you have, folks. Very cute, very easy, very simple. A quick way to dress up any t-shirt. Again, be creative, customize it, put them wherever you want. Thank you guys for watching this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later.